Hello everybody, this is Rocky from CRAFTEX. I'm going to be doing the DIY Wednesday arrangement. I'm really not very sure what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go and make it as I go. But it's going to be very beautiful. So I'm going to start off with this hanging bush. I think it's an ivy, some kind of variegated ivy bush. Then I have other greenery that I'm going to use. Some mother-in-law's tongue, some foxtail, and some other pretty flowers. So gotta start off with getting any kind of like pilot hole, like some kind of like bamboo or anything that you can, that's pretty strong, that you can make your little hole down there so it fits good. You know, make sure.
Howard says hello.
Hello, how are you?
And you're also getting a greetings from Portugal.
Portugal, wow, that's a long way. All right, well hi, thanks for tuning in. Just gonna get a little glue right on the tip and then go down. I'm gonna go down pretty far. Go down all the way to the base. Make sure you get all your little stickers off. And then I'll keep on turning around as you can see. I'm gonna have it to where this one's gonna go off a little bit on this side here. I have another one I might use, but I'm gonna have it here just in case. So I like how that's looking, and then we're gonna start off with a background piece. So
we have someone from Australia.
Australia, wow, that's a long way.
Today's an international.
I know, I love it. I'm not gonna cut this one because I want some height on this. So I'm just going to, I don't even need to use a pilot hole for this because this is a sturdy wire. But I'm just gonna find a space in the back that I think is nice. And on this one, I'm gonna go pretty far down. Next, I'm gonna start off, or I'm gonna use the foxtail. Yeah, this is a foxtail. This one is, where's Marcy? With my price sheet. My love, Marcy.
$14.95.
This one's $14.95. It's beautiful. This mother-in-law's tongue is $14.95, and this hanging bush I believe is $12.95. Right? Mm-hmm.
That's right.
All
Canada
right.
Design says, hi Rocky.
Oh hi, how are you, love? So I like this height right here. Let me do this and this side for you. So I'm gonna cut it down maybe about this much. Maybe like 7 inches from the bottom. But on this one I am going to use the pilot hole. Where is it? I think I'm gonna put it right in here. Down a little bit.
Shelly Zerpa is saying hello from Venezuela.
Wow, I'm getting all kinds of international. I'm internationally known.
I'm from Mexico.
Oh, Mexico. We have Salvador here, Mexico in the building. We have Colombia in the building too. Wow. All right, let's see.
Italia.
This is, I like that height right there. That's going to be pretty. And then let me just get down just a little bit more. I'm going to get my second one, place where I want to put it. Not too much shorter than that first one. Just make sure you glue the ends. Be careful. Don't burn yourself, like I always do. All right, let's see. We're going to use this one going the opposite direction. Excuse me, opposite direction. So get that down just a little bit. Bend it. I like that. It's going to be pretty. You can always, don't forget, or don't be nervous to wiggle everything around. It all moves. And you turn it around so you can see how that's looking. We're going to address that. This is going to be the back. This is the front. But we'll address all this naked space when we get to the back. And the third one, let's see, where am I going to put this third one? I think I'm going to put it right here. Oh, you need some really good, strong wire cutters because some of these stems are real thick. If you're not very sure where you want to put it, just put it in there without the glue first. I like that. I think that's pretty. I like to experiment as I go. I really didn't know what I was doing until about 10 minutes before we started doing this. Or 20 minutes. All right, let's see. What else do I want to use? I have these beautiful roses. These are brand new. We just got these in not too long ago. I love these. I believe these are $6.95.
Yes.
Yeah, they're really nice. I think I'm going to use 5. But we shall see. All right. But see how that looks right there. It's going to be in very neutral colors. Just a little pop of blue. Yeah, we've been having a lot of people buying the flowers. So if you want flowers, come in before they're all gone. Let's do one over here. I am going to add this extra one. So it's all rounded off from the bottom. Go in. Ooh, that was a tough one.
A lot of hearts, a lot of thumbs up going on, Rocky.
Oh, beautiful. Well, feel free to ask any questions if you like. Alright, so we have all the greenery. Let's press it down. And you can manipulate these pretty well. So you don't have to be worried about breaking it. So I have 2 so far. I'm going to use 3 more. I'm going to make it nice and full. Let's just go right in there. Then we have another shorter one. Should cut these all at different lengths, so it's not all the same. Some of these are going to have to take off this, take the leaves off. Oops. But don't feel that it's wrong to cut the leaves off because we have already full leaves on. Yeah, that's great. Okay, now it's in my pilot hole. Just come back with the glue gun to secure everything in there. Alright, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have another one I'll put right back here. Oop, I forgot to tag.
Maddie wants to ask, feeling tropical this season, any palms and greens in stock for bulk sale?
We have beautiful palms, yes. We have all the dried fan palms.
Fan palms.
That you were working with the other day.
So far, this is what it's looking like. I'm going to add this blue one right here. It's coming together quite nicely. I love it. This one, yes, we're definitely going to need a power pull forward once it gets a little tight in here. But we'll, oh, went all the way through. This is a nice, quick, beautiful arrangement. It's very neutral, so it can go through any season, really. This one's going to be a little bit more difficult to get.
Timeless.
Timeless, like you, Michael. Timeless and forever.
There you go.
Let's get this one up a little bit. And so you can see just a little hint of blue. I'm going to get that down a little bit further. Let's get that sucker in there. Maybe that's all it's going to go. So we'll have to deal with that. So far, that's how it's looking. I need a lazy Susan. Something to spin it around. But and then this other large one, we're going to put right up here. But it looks like we're running out of space. Alright.
Mrs. Stell G says, OMG, just beautiful.
Oh, thank you. That's really nice. We're going to add, I forget what these are called.
Oh, that's baby's tooth.
Baby's tooth. We're going to have a few of these, but I'm going to cut these off down here. Actually, I might not even have to cut them off. I'm just going to cut this off a little bit. Just get a little glue. Be careful again, don't burn yourself. Spread everything apart. Mix in your leaves. Yes, I'm not even going to cut these. I'm just going to make the little stem a little shorter. And then find a place to put this. And again, just don't be afraid to manipulate the branches. You can wiggle them in all through. But I think I'm going to add some snowballs into it, just for a little bit more color. So these I'm going to cut. I'm going to cut here. If you have a pick machine, use it. If you don't know what a pick machine is, we sell them here. It just has a real sharp pick. Basically, you just put it at the tip of here and it pricks in real easy. I'll show you how. So you just get this, pull it out, and bam! Real strong. And let's see, just find a little spot. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 of the snowballs on one pick. And this pick is $14.95, I believe. Kind of want to add this one. With these, I like to bend my flower or my leaf stem. Michael taught me how to do this. And then I just bend that right there and zip tie. Make it nice and tight. And then after this, I think we're gonna be done. And then we just find a beautiful place to put it. Oops. So we have the fullness on the bottom. We have the beautiful white roses with the snowballs. Nice foxtail. Mother-in-law's tongue. There it is.
Very nice, Rocky. Great job.
Thank you. And I think we're gonna.
Wonderful.
I think we're gonna get the price and put it online. Tons of different sizes of glass, from tall, rectangle, round, short, super tall. So
That's right.
come check us out.
Wedding season is upon us.
Yes.
So we have a wide variety of glass, different shapes and sizes.
Yes.
Yes. So we're your source for glass.
Yes. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.